Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura, and you're watching day 20 of the Hemline Sewing Advent Calendar. 4 more days, including today. And then I have to start preparing some sewing videos and some game videos and Try It Tuesdays and 60-second sewing tips and Thirsty Threads book club. Lots of plans, lots of plans. But in the meantime, let's open up day 20. Silver metallic thread. Okay, I have definitely got to get to Joann's or someplace and get some metallic needles. I love them. I was part of a group at one point, and they were doing appliques. And I loved what the one did, that she did the applique with the variegated thread, so I had to go and make sure I bought some of that. Really turns out pretty. You know, if you do the Baltimore flowers or something, I don't remember what all, but it comes out real pretty. And I was at one point where I always did a bear for baby blankets. Think about trying to make another one of those, but this time use the variegated thread as the applique thread. I hope you have been enjoying the Hemline Sewing Advent Calendar. I hope you are finding us on Facebook, Crazy Dave's Crew. Yes, my husband's name is Dave. The kids are the crew. So I'll let you fill in the blank for what that makes me. I wear it with pride. Also, the Crazy D Ranch and Rabbitry, our little quarter-acre, teeny-tiny homestead. Teeny-tiny Tennessee homestead. The Thursday Threads Book Club and Sewing and Crocheting for Beginners. Be sure to check out some other videos with my kids. Don't forget to like, comment, share. We love it when you share the videos. Most importantly, don't forget to come back. Hope you have a wonderful afternoon. Thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow for day 21. Thanks for watching.